How to use WhatsApp web on another device. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can log into the same account on two different devices. First thing you want to do is open up WhatsApp on your main phone. And once you open it up, you will have something called link devices. So tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you have the link devices option. It will show you all of the devices where you are logged in. So if you want to link a device, you can scan a QR code. Tap on link device, and you're going to have to use your PIN. So just go ahead and scan it. Now you can open WhatsApp web or any other application here. Now, instead of the phone number, what you can do is just go ahead and log in with the QR code. Click on it. And then from here, you'll get the code. Just scan the code like this, and you should be able to log into the other device. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.